Welcome to Module 12 video number 13. In this part of the Etsy course, we're going to be talking about excellent customer service. As a small business owner and selling on an e-commerce platform like Etsy, providing good quality customer experience is pivotal for the success of your shop. I cannot tell you how many times I have gotten a sale from simply responding to a message with great customer service. So what does it mean to provide excellent customer service? It means you listen, you respond in a friendly manner, and you go above and beyond what the customer expects because you want this to be the best experience they ever had. So let's go over some tips for providing excellent customer service. So the first one is download the Etsy Seller app. It lets you easily manage your business on the go. You'll be able to respond to customers, see your shop stats, and manage your orders. The best part of the app is being able to see messages from potential buyers and not missing an opportunity to provide great customer service and potentially close out the sale. The app is very important because I always tell people, if you respond to a message right away, you have a higher probability of that person buying from you. So that's one of the advantages of having the app already installed in your mobile device. And this goes to what we're going to be talking about next. Respond to inquiries as quick as possible. How quickly you respond to a customer's inquiries can have an impact on your sales. It's important to respond as quick as possible, not only to get the sale, but it's one of the core attributes of customer service. I have had so many sales from responding to an inquiry in a fast, timely manner. So that's one of the advantages of having the Etsy Seller app installed as well. Fix your mistakes. So if you find yourself making a mistake, it's important to fix it and take ownership. So transparency is important in a business, and it's okay to say, we made a mistake and here are the steps we're taking to fix it. Always strive to go out of your way by not only providing a resolution to fix the issue, but offering something of value. Maybe you could waive the shipping fee or throw in something extra in the order as a thank you. Go the extra mile, right? We always hear about this. Go the extra mile. This is another way to build loyal customers, is going the extra mile. Make it a habit of going the extra mile with every customer. It will help you beat the competition and keep yourself in the radar for future business. So let's go over some examples of what is exactly going the extra mile. So being proactive by following up with any issues, respond quickly to inquiries, show appreciation by saying thank you to your new customers after a sale, always deliver more than expected, make it personal by responding to your customers by their first name, prioritize your customers' time, say thank you even when they don't buy from you, be generous to your most loyal customers, show empathy when needed, don't wait for opportunities to keep in touch with your customers, send out a thank you card, show interest in people, focus on customers' needs, and always respond with a positive attitude. And the one that says show interest in people, what I mean by that, if somebody messages you and says, hey, I love this wedding sign, my daughter's getting married, and I want to know if I could personalize it. Don't just say, yes, I could personalize it for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Show interest in that particular person. They just told you their daughter is going to get married. So showing interest is just simply saying, oh, wow, congratulations on your daughter's wedding. I'm sure you're very excited about it. Yes, I could personalize it for you. Let me know if you have any questions and how I can make the day easier for you guys. Something that simple, showing interest in the person. Don't ignore opportunities that could turn into something else. If they tell you, hey, I'm from Chicago, I see that you're from Chicago, milk it, right? Milk it, milk it, milk it. Be like, oh my God, I'm from Chicago as well. I live in the south side of Chicago. I've been here for 30 years. How great to meet someone else. Just showing interest in other people will open that door that other competitors are not doing and possibly get you the sale and close out the sale. So that's what I mean by show interest in people. Now, thanking your customers. I'm sure you heard of sending a thank you card to customer is a great way to make a positive impression as an easy way to show appreciation. And many Etsy sellers miss the opportunity to build loyal customers by not taking the time to say thank you. A thank you note is an effective way to provide excellent customer service without taking a lot of time and effort. Now, because of this course that we're learning how to sell digital products on Etsy, you could send a digital product or a digital note saying thank you. So if you sell tangible items, of course, you could send a thank you card. But if you sell digital products, then you could do a digital card that says thank you for shopping at my store. We really appreciate your business. And that's it. Something very simple, but just taking the time to say thank you. Show empathy. So learning to be empathetic will help you provide excellent customer service, make you stand out from your competitors. When a customer has a problem with an order, it's your job to make them feel heard, respected, and understood. And you do that by giving empathy. So here's some steps you could take to show empathy and win a customer over. So when a customer is very upset and at an order, even if it's not your fault, these are the things that you should do. You should listen, recap everything the customer just told you so they know that you understand. Make it your problem. Allow them to vent. Be respectful of their feelings when responding. Put yourself in the customer's shoes. Meet their expectations. Show that you care. Thank them for allowing you to resolve their issues. Ask questions to better help. Find a resolution. Give options and suggestions, and go the extra mile. This is how you handle someone that's very upset, and you will be able to de-escalate the situation from being very, very upset to at the end of the conversation being very, very happy with the customer service that you provided. But the only way that you could get a customer that's very upset to a level that they're very happy with you is by providing empathy and listening to the customer. That will be the only way. And making sure that you are respectful of their feelings when you're responding back to them. Now, other ways are offering suggestions. So another way to take your customer service to the next level is by offering other products or services after a sale. So if you have a customer who just recently purchased a wedding sign from your shop, it's great practice to let them know you have matching items that go with that particular product. It doesn't always guarantee a sale, but it's a way to ensure great customer service. And you never know, they might end up buying an additional item from you just because you send them a link to all your matching items that go with that particular design. Another great source of customer service is asking for feedback. If you want to grow your Etsy business, you need to seek input from others. It doesn't matter if you feel like you're doing an exceptional job. There's always room for improvement for everyone. Ask your customers for feedback and be clear that you want honest feedback, and do your best to understand things from their perspective and not take it personal. This is something that I had to learn and retrain myself, is to ask for people, hey, how is my store doing? How was my customer service doing? And people are going to be very honest with you. And you're not going to want to hear what people say sometimes, but it's going to make you a better Etsy seller at the end of the day. So I highly suggest asking for feedback. So let's do a recap of everything that we talked about in Module 12. Truly understand what it means to provide excellent customer service. Download the Etsy Seller app. That's just going to be one of those things that I highly recommend. If you do have a smart device, you need to have the app installed. And make it your mission to always provide excellent customer service all the time, no matter the situation. I remember I got at one point that people were asking me the same thing over and over and over about digital products. And I remember getting upset because I'm answering the same question. And one day I had to take my emotions and not take it personal. And I had to separate myself and say, okay, this is their first time visiting my shop. And even if 300 other people in the last month asked me the same question, this person is their first time asking me. So instead of me being short with my answers and rude, let me take it back and let me just be excited that there's a customer actually messaging me about a product that I sell that they probably will buy from me. And that's what I started doing. And after I started doing that, I saw an increase in sales. I saw a decrease in stress. And now, even if I get the same message over and over and over, I don't get upset about it because at the end of the day, it's their first time visiting my Etsy store. And to be quite honest, a lot of people don't understand digital products. Even though it's been, around, it's still fairly new to them. So you're always going to have people to ask you questions on how to do it. Don't take it personal and be happy. Like I realized that someone is messaging you to ask you about a product or service that you sell. Then hopefully when you provide excellent customer service, you will be able to go ahead and close out the sale. So this is really important. Do not skip this part of the training. Do not say I don't need to provide more than I do already. We all need improvement. So make sure that you start practicing it. And the more you practice it, the better you will get at it. Okay, guys, so I'll see you in the next video.